Good morning, children. Today we are going to continue our reading part of the lesson latitude and longitude. All of you open chapter 2 from your textbooks. Come to the concept. Locating places. Okay. In our previous class, we have done the reading part till longitudes, and today we are going to learn about. We are going to learn the reading part of locating places. Longitudes and latitudes. LONGITUDES. Longitudes and latitudes. LATITUDES. Latitudes form 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 a network 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 called grid. GRID grid. The grid 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 helps us to accurately accurately locate locate places 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 on the maps maps and globes GLOBES globes. To locate locate a place on a map map or globe GLOBE globe, we must know the degrees 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 of the latitude 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 and longitude LONGITUDE longitude. We can find the exact exact position 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 of the place 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 at the point 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 where these two lines THESE these TWO2 lines 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 cross each other CROSS cross EACHOTH here each other. For example, EXAMPLE example New Delhi NEWDELH New Delhi lies at approximately 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 29 degrees north 77 degrees east. And now the concept calculating time. Longitudes 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 help in calculating 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 time TIME time. The difference between DIFFERENC difference BETWEEN between two consecutive 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 longitudes 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 is of 4 minutes MINUTES minutes. When we travel travel eastwards 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 from the prime meridian PRIME meridian, we need to add 4 minutes 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 on passing 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 each meridian MERIDIAN meridian. When we travel westwards 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 from the prime meridian PRIME meridian, we need to subtract subtract 4 minutes 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 as we pass each meridian MERIDIAN meridian. The moment we cross MOMENT moment we cross 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 the east of the international date line INTERNATIONAL international DATE date, LINE line. We gain, GAIN gain, or add, ADD add, a day. Similarly, SIMILARLY. Similarly, if we cross 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 to the west of the international 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 date line, DATELINE date line, we lose, LOSE lose, or subtract, SUBTRACT subtract a day, DAY day. Let us understand UNDERSTAND. Understand this with the help of an example. The current time, CURRENT, current, TIME time at the prime meridian, PRIME MERIDIAN at the prime meridian is 12 noon. Location A, LOCATION. Location A is at 4 degrees east longitude and location B is at 4 degrees west longitude, LONGITUDE longitude. Then THEN, then the time at location A, LOCATION, location A will be 12:16 PM. And time at location B will be 11:44 AM. Okay children, once we locating places and calculating time concepts 3 times children. Okay, thank you children, bye all of you.